That is a wrap, everybody. That is an official wrap. Well done. Some beautiful work from you. Oh, and the lighting, exquisite. And the costumes.
Oh, stop it.
What? And let's not forget to thank this little beauty for all the special effects. Go on.
How was I?
Yeah, you're okay.
So when do we get to watch it?
Now, I guess.
Great.
Shh, everyone, it's about to start. Just gonna... What's going on here?
It's not playing.
Yeah, I can see that.
Did someone edit the film first?
Did someone what?
Oh dear, they've forgotten to edit their film. And if you don't edit, you don't really have a film. If you think about a film like a jigsaw puzzle, then the filming part, with all the acting, directing, costumes and props, is like creating all the puzzle pieces for the first time. It's the editing where we actually put all those puzzle pieces together and finally see our picture. Without the editing, you just have a pile of disconnected pieces. Editing can be the most exciting part of the filming process because it's the part where you start to see your story come together. There's also a lot you can change and manipulate in the edit, from the type of shots you use, the transitions, the timing between cuts, to how you choose to use sound and music. All these can be used to help tell your story in the most dynamic way possible. So, how do we edit? Keep watching and we'll show you how to use iMovie and get your edit started with assembly and transitions.
So you've acted out and filmed your scenes, then you've added backgrounds and special effects in Doink. Now it's time to add all these elements together to make your film using iMovie. So let's open iMovie and begin. Click on the plus over in the top left and select Movie. Then go to the bottom of the screen and select Create Movie. Here you'll see your view screen. To the right, you've got your access to media, and underneath, you'll see the timeline. Let's select Video to access our scenes and special effects. Click on Recently Added and scroll through to find the first scene of your movie. To check to see if it's the right clip, you can click on it. Now you'll see a yellow border around the clip. Underneath, you'll see a plus sign and the play sign. Click on the play sign to view the clip.
And action. Hey, great dino.
And I can see that's the clip I want, so I'm going to go ahead and press the plus sign to add the clip to the timeline below. Now, when we are doing our rough cut, we need to trim off any parts of the clip that we don't need, such as the director saying action and cut. To do this, we can play the clip and then pause it after the director says action.
And action.
Then we highlight the clip, press action below, and then split. Now you'll see the clip has been cut in two, and we can now delete the part we don't want by highlighting it and pressing delete down in the bottom right corner. We do the same process for the cut at the end of the clip. Next, we go back to the media to select our second scene and go through the same process. Continue to do this until you have all the scenes in the timeline trimmed down and in their correct order. Lastly, we can add in transitions between your scenes. To do this, we select this box that sits between your scenes in the timeline. Once highlighted, you'll see some options appear below. These are all the different types of transitions you can use. Have a play by playing back the part of the movie and see which one suits best. You can also adjust the time the transition takes by choosing these options here. 0.5 seconds, 1 second, 1.5 seconds, and 2 seconds. I'm going to make mine short and choose 0.5 seconds. Once you've done this, scroll back to the start and see if your movie is making sense.
And that's how you complete a basic edit of your film. At this point, you should be able to follow the story and your film should make sense. In the next lesson, we'll show you how to put the finishing touches on your edit by adding sound effects, music, and titles. Shine on, Star Timers!